everyone. So today we have three patients. One in active labor, one for prenatal consultation, and one for postpartum mother na need of monitoring. So before ta magbuhat, mag-organize ta sa itong mga tasks para dili ta mag-report.
Nag-overload din. Hindi mo bayatan niya. Gusto na magpupupor. Six active labor cases. Limited to po na itong time na hindi ka mo-organize, hindi mo effective mo itong patient care.
Okay, relax lang tagadali everyone. Mo bitaw na ang proper planning and clear communication mo resulta og effective management. Mo nang effective management is very important. So, dili ta ngay magpanik ha. Then, mag-organize ta sa atong mga tasks para malikay na itong mga problems and errors in providing care to our patients.
Pressure starts to build. A strong leader does not panic. Instead, she plans, prioritizes, and delegates tasks clearly. This is where effective management begins. Planning, delegation, clear communication, and teamwork.
So, first na itong buhatan is mag-prioritize ta sa itong mga tasks. So, ang patient in active labor mo yung pinaka-urgent. So, Ma'am Sel and I will handle that case. And then, ikaw, Ma'am Jean, ito lang ka sa postpartum mother. Then, don't forget to monitor her vital signs, ha? And then, ikaw, Ma'am Des, for prenatal consultation. And ikaw, Ma'am Marge, you will assess us with Ma'am Sel para makagain ka experience.
Thank you, Mom. I'll do my best too.
Yes, no worries, Ma'am Marge. And then, guys, don't forget na mag-inform mo sa itong group if ever maka-encounter mo problems sa inyong mga tasks. Kaya, dapat manatay clear communication para natay effective management. Okay? Okay, Ma'am. Sige, let's go!
A few moments later.
You're doing well, Ma'am Sel. Focus lang na kami dito to support. Wait sa Ma'am Sel. Ma'am Bel, excuse me. Pwede rin mo na yung supervision?
Okay, ma'am. Patapakan sila ari.
Sige, Ma'am. Thank you.
A few inches later.
Guidance from a senior midwife is important. Supervision ensures that decisions are safe and patient-centered. Leadership becomes stronger through mentorship.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Ma'am.
Advocate survey. Ma'am Emma, may ang pag-ibig task. That's a good example of effective management. Effective management in midwifery includes proper planning, clear communication, delegation of responsibilities, leadership under pressure, accountability, and compassion toward patients. So remember, effective management is not about controlling people. It's about guiding the team towards safety and quality care. Sige, pwede na mong balik.
Okay, Ma'am. Thank you, Ma'am.
One eternity later.
Ma'am Sel, please lang po continue monitor sa ato ang patient ha. And then, Ma'am Marge, please ko assist si Ma'am Sel. Kabalang kala ni ha. Yes, okay, thank you. White, hindi siya ako. White? Ako ba? Okay na pa na yung BP. Okay ra. Bantayin lang, pamonitor lang nga ni Ma'am Jean ha, palihog ko. Sige.
Every duty, reflection helps the team grow. Effective management is not only about completing tasks, but also about learning and improving together.
A few inches later.
Good job, everyone! What did you learn today?
Learn yun ako, ma'am, na mo-grow yun ang imong confidence at supported yun ang imong leader.
Nakarealize ko nga, mamanage na rin ang stress if klaro ang assignment sa responsibilities. So, ako na-learn today na is clear communication is makaprevent ng mistakes.
Learn po na ko mga time management can improve patient care duty.
And also, mama ko na-learn sa effective management is not about the smartest, being the smartest in the person, but it's all about listening, organizing, instructing, proper instruction, and then guiding the team. Because in midwifery, effective management can be the difference between chaos and coordinated life-saving care.